Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vic and I'm here to give you some angel guidance today. So, all you need to do is keep any one situation in your mind that you need guidance on or just a general message on, and then choose from these numbers or these crystals. So, you can choose from the number 1 or the green aventurine crystal. You can choose from the number 2 or the black tourmaline crystal, or you can choose from the number 3 or the rose quartz crystal. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to be revealing your messages now. So let's see what angel guidance is coming for you today. Okay. So this card is called the compromise card, and you can see how this person is holding is balancing the scales in this card. So it's making me feel that you need to learn to balance the scales a little bit in this particular situation, and you need to learn to compromise in some manner. Compromise doesn't always mean that you have to give up what you truly want, or you have to keep saying yes to something that is not acceptable. I just feel that you need to balance the scales in what are you able to give without feeling exploited, or what are you able to receive. So I just feel that you need to find a balance between the giving and receiving of this situation. If you must have kept your love life in your mind, then this situation is asking for you to be a little bit realistic and compromise. Sometimes you need to let the little things go and move on, honestly. But I also feel that this is just asking you to develop a balance between what can you honestly give and what can you receive. If this has been coming for your career, then the universe or the angels are just telling you that the time of compromise is leaving soon. I feel that very soon this energy of compromise and just getting by is going to be leaving your life soon, and you're going to thrive very much in your career. So, yes, let's move on to number 2 and see what message has come for you guys. So, this is like a very reassuring message to see. I feel for those who have chosen the number 2, the message is coming that no need to worry. Okay. So, this is like a very positive message to receive. This is making me feel that maybe you have been worrying too much about this situation. It could again be your love life, health, career, mental health, anything. But the universe, the angels are reassuring you that you do not need to worry. This situation is going to be taken care of. You are putting a lot of time into what could be going wrong or what is going wrong, rather than focusing on how things can be right or how you deserve this happiness, this positive energy in your life. I just feel that you are staying too much in the past at times without realizing, and the universe is just asking you to focus on the good things and what could come next. So, I hope that you guys could relate to this message. Now, let's move on to number 3 or the rose quartz, and let's see what's coming up. Okay, so this is like a very frustrating message to get at times. In this situation, the universe is saying that it's up to you. So, this could again be for a couple of situations. It could be for your love life, it could be for your career, it could be for maybe you have asked for a job change, or you have asked for some big wish in your life, and the universe is just telling you, the angels are telling you that you have the strength to achieve this. You have the strength to make this happen in reality. You have the strength to go after your dreams. You have the strength to take that leap of faith. You need to start believing and affirming more positively for your self worth, for your self love. I feel that you are a very powerful person. Once you set your mind to something, it's not possible that you don't achieve it. So, the universe, the angels are cheering you that it's up to you to make this choice to take care of this situation, but they always have your back. I don't know why, but I feel that for people who have chosen this number, if you are very confused about something, then maybe you can just light a small white color candle and pray to Archangel Michael, specifically for some clarity or for some guidance on this situation, and even for protection if you need that. So yeah, I hope that you guys could relate to these messages. Thank you so much for watching.